Want to back up your Itel phone or keep data safe before troubleshooting? In this video, we'll show you 4 easy and reliable ways to sync your Itel device to a PC, covering contacts, messages, photos, videos, and more. Top 1. Best Itel Sync Software Android Backup and Restore. Mobican Backup Manager for Android is a one-click tool to back up and restore Itel data to your PC in lossless quality. This time-honored software supports restoring backups to any Android device via USB or Wi-Fi without any technical skills. How to use Mobican Android Backup and Restore for Itel Sync. Step 1. Launch the software after installation. Connect your Itel phone via USB. Enable USB debugging if prompted. Once detected, click Backup on the interface. Step 2. Select the types of data you wish to back up, then designate a folder on your computer where the files will be saved. Finally, click Backup to synchronize your Itel data with the computer. Top 2. Itel Data Backup. The Itel Data Backup app, developed by Reeve Systems, is a specialized solution designed for VoIP service providers and telecom operators to manage and safeguard their critical data. It offers real-time, automated backups of both main and replication servers. Top 3. Microsoft's Phone Link. Microsoft Phone Link is a built-in Windows feature that allows you to seamlessly connect your Android device, including Itel phones, to your Windows PC. Once linked, it enables users to view notifications, send and receive text messages, access photos. Top 4. Xender. Xender is a cross-platform app for fast, cable-free file transfers without internet. It works on Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS, sending photos, videos, music, apps, and more via Wi-Fi direct at speeds up to 40 ms, much faster than Bluetooth.